in the cloud. All right, so we are adding another Google account to a sub account so that we can get access to another calendar without having to add another staff member to the list. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, we finished that verification. So we have another account. Do we have multiple or do we just have the one? Hold up. Scroll up a second. Oh, good. We have two. This is wonderful. So now let's go back to calendars and go to settings, connections. Let's click on connections. And let's see if it will let us connect. There we go. Look at this. Um, Okay, so both Google accounts are connected. Now it says to check for conflicts only on the one calendar. It looks like you can only select that one calendar, but you can select whichever calendar you want from within your calendar settings, within a particular calendar settings, looks like. Okay, so let's hit save and see what happens. Okay, so it's going down the list. Okay, so we have one calendar for video scheduling link and a different calendar for grow your business chat.
Yeah.
Like it, very cool. Okay, now we're adding another account. Mm,
Okay.
gonna do it now? Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, back again. We now have 3 Google accounts connected to one sub account. This is awesome. So now for this calendar, we want to have this one connected to a different calendar, a different account. Very cool. See, I just learned something today.
This is awesome. Now, Simone, like in terms of some of these appointments, particularly the one with the video and I wanted people to pay first, eventually. So in order
Right.
for people to pay before they get the opportunity to schedule, that
Mm-hmm.
functionality, do we understand what that is,
Yes.
Mamina, or is that something we have to walk through with Simone?
Um, Mamina's got it. Accept payments. Look at that. You put in the amount and a description, and you can
Okay.
make it test or live, so you can test it as you go through or not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, one other question is this something, let's say for instance, I have a sale hinging on the fact that the customer doesn't want to pay, but I'm relatively confident that they're going to pay on delivery. Is there a way that I can put a code or something to bypass it, or it's on or off?
The codes, you can have coupons that work with products. What I have not seen is a way to have a coupon work with product that's kind of embedded within a calendar.
Okay.
And what I also don't see in here is a way to connect a product that you already have set up to the calendar. Because it looks like with accept payments, you set the payment, whatever the payment is for that particular appointment, but it's not connected to a product. So it doesn't look like you can connect a coupon with it. And I have
So
tried that
if we
before.
created a product, if we created a product entitled like scheduling link or appointment, um, media media capture. If we created a
Right.
product, media capture, and the minimum fee for that was $100. And that
Yeah,
was
so you
linked
can
to the
connect.
scheduling link.
Well, what you'd have to do is in your funnel, because you can connect a coupon to a product. So in your funnel, what you'd have to do if you didn't want them to be able to schedule without paying, you would have to set up your funnel where you have a page where they pay first. And then on that page, they can use a coupon if you want them to. And then on the next page, they can schedule. So you'd have to do it that way. Otherwise, if
That to
you
be a
put the
sequence.
payment, yes, so you'd have to put it in the sequence that way. Otherwise, the payment that's embedded within the calendar isn't connected to a product at all. So you can't use a coupon. I mean, what you'd have to do is to come in here and change the price, but then you'd have to remember to go back in once the sale is over to change the
Yeah, I
price
know
back.
you're confident. Okay, I was just trying to understand what the capabilities are, so I can have it be a straight up. I can turn that on and off.
Mhm.
Um, okay, so let's have it off for now, Mamina. But it's good to know because we're gonna be transitioning once we have the proof and the advertisement with the testimonials.
Okay.
We'll do the free appointments until we have the testimonials with the social proof. And then it goes to you pay or you don't get to schedule anything.
Okay. All right. So this looks good. Um, so yeah, now you have the ability to have multiple calendars within your one account. Now, what I don't know is how it looks on like your dashboard screen and your appointments. So that's something you might want to go in and test. Like schedule a test appointment on one calendar, schedule a test appointment on another one, schedule a test appointment on another one. What I do is I like to book um well, yeah, like just create different colors for my appointments. Like so the ones that I know and they'll show up on my Google Calendar too. I'll put in here that the appointment should show up in red, in like bright red. So on my Google Calendar, it shows up in red. So I know somebody booked an appointment through my funnel, you know, based on this calendar. Um, and so you can have like color code your calendars. So you know what
Yeah,
appointment is which appointment is which.
yeah, I would definitely love to do that because Marmina was playing with the Google Tasks and she was color coding that. Colors
Hmm.
help you to be able to easily recognize.
Yeah. So yeah, so this is where you would do your color coding. Um, and then and Mamina, go back to hit the go back button. So you go back to go to the dashboard, or never mind. Well, yeah, the dashboard doesn't show your calendar. Go to calendars. The calendar shows the calendars. So yeah, in here is where your appointments would show up and they would have that color coding in it.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
All righty.